Providing a great interface for your customers with WP Cloud has never been easier. With PanelAlpha, in less than an hour, you'll be able to offer a clean and powerful panel with features that many providers using WP Cloud don't even support. In this video, I'll guide you through all the steps required to install PanelAlpha and connect it successfully with WP Cloud in just 5 minutes. To start using PanelAlpha, you'll first need a license, which you can easily order from the pricing page on our website. Once your order is processed and payment is confirmed, you'll receive a license key to install PanelAlpha. You'll also get an email with detailed instructions and the exact commands to execute on your server. Server requirements are outlined in our documentation. You'll need a Debian or Ubuntu server with at least 4 GB of RAM. The installation process is really straightforward. You only need to run 2 commands, one of which includes the license key. This process typically takes no more than 30 minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll be provided with the address to the admin area. By default, it will be your server's IP address followed by port 8443. This URL will first take you to a setup wizard that guides you through configuring the system step by step. In the first step, you'll configure your main admin account. Next, in the second step, you can set up your branding. In this example, I'm using the IMVS software logo and the orange color, which fits almost perfectly. Now it's time to configure the connection with WP Cloud. After entering the server name, select Cloud as the server connection type. You can then begin setting up your WP Cloud account. If the connection is successful, you can move on to the next step, which is setting up your plans. At this time, you can only configure the limit for the number of instances and the storage limit. Please note that the storage limit applies to each individual WordPress sites and does not control the total storage used by all sites. The final steps allow you to set up a test user and create their first site. To fully utilize the system's functionality, you'll also need to configure integrations. Google PageSpeed is responsible for site screenshots and performance analytics. That's it! PanelAlpha is now installed and ready to use. A few more things you might want to configure before going live include setting up a domain for the system, advanced configuration of plans, admin accounts and privileges, and of course the connection to your billing system. All of these are simple to set up and you can find more details in our documentation or in other video tutorials. If you need any help or guidance, feel free to contact us through the form on our website.